Hi guys! 5 days to go before Christmas. So here's 5 Excel keyboard shortcuts you can actually use. Number 1, AutoSum. Bakit mano-mano pa kung pwedeng isang pindot na lang? Just press Alt, then equals, instant sum ng selected numbers mo. Number 2, select all data. Isang pindot lang lahat ng data mo nakaselect na. Just press Ctrl A. Number 3, go to special or blank cells. Mahanap mo agad ang blank cells sa dataset mo without scrolling or manually searching for it. Just press Ctrl, then G. Number 4, insert current date. Kung gusto mong ilagay ang current date na static lang or hindi kailangang magbago everyday, just press Ctrl plus semicolon. Number 5, fill down. Kung gusto mong mag-copy-paste ng formula or values ng mas mabilis, highlight the cells then press Ctrl plus D. Stay tuned for our next Excel tips and tricks countdown before Christmas!